championships. They parking roads and fields and lanes, the odd one on their ditch. When the rush is on from the crack of dawn, throwing the flask and wellies in the car. Then we spin the whole way into we don't know where we are. And that is why, oh, love to pack and head for the crack to the Ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good test, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you fill your backpack and you want to make it back, make sure you buy a stick. There's cars and tractors and diggers and trucks, and some do buy and some just look. The sheds and animals, houses and stalls, and new inventions been demonstrated all. There's music, food, bars and dance, and fun fair rides if you dare the chance. There's leaflets, sweets, games and ties for all the big and small girls and boys. And that is why love to pack and head for the crack to the Ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good test, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you're working at this riddle, you can dance to a fit. Whoa! Getting the mighty ploughs that turn the field from crop to soil. The 1 score, 10 score vary with. Well, there's ones you drag and there's ones you lift. Well, the drive up and down to the field is brown. Well, on this tree they test, and at the end of 100 acres they do pick the best. And that is why, oh, love to pack and head for the crack to the Ploughing championships, where we walk around and gobble down free food and bags of chips. Well, it is a good test, even for the best, so make sure you take time to sit. When you fill your backpack and you want to make it back, make sure you buy a stick.
Sowing, baling, drawing, hauling a bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, field or slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, tearing, losing weight. Oh, head to death and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove a light till the fuel lit right out. Oh, give me a yoke with plenty of poke and a cat of easy start, and 1,500 acres, hauling 40 ton of grass. I said goodbye before July to the woman in an awful rush, and it was nearly Christmas before I got back in touch. I found a safe, but I had no brakes, couldn't keep it cool. With loads of power, was behind the north, so give the pop a screw. Out all night with no lights, only seeing stars, and the gloom from the moon, and the diesel light in the dash. Mowing, lifting, sowing, baling, drawing, hauling, bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, crashing, tipping, wrapping, field or slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double clutching, spinning, sliding, digging, rigging, wearing, tearing, losing weight. Oh, hit to death and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove a light till the fuel lit right out. Overload on a turnhill road, slapping through the gears, sending Snapchats of what I'm at to everyone on the beer. Hit the tune below and it started to roll, always in the air. It was my chance to breeze in the nipples I never knew was there. Need some sleep and new teeth for digging and dozing in the muck. In case it rains, needing a chain lying in the truck. Climbing, liming, mixing, piping after the field is cut. There's many a gap you won't get at without 6,000 foot. Mowing, lifting, sowing, baling, drawing, hauling, bucker, raking, backing, stacking, plowing, thrashing, tipping, rocking, field doors slapping, sucking, diesel, cutting, trucking, spreading, piping, double, punching, spanning, sliding, digging, raking, wearing, tearing, losing, winning. Oh, heck to death and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting. Well, when the sun went down, with a flame from the pipe we drove all night till the fuel it ran out. Oh, heck to death and pray that she goes all the way. We're flat to the mat with the party hats, and I'm heading for the day. They thought that we were quitting, cause the summer doesn't last. But we're heading to New Zealand, where the crack it only starts.
General Flannelman.
See the boy with the monkey boots and the peak cap on his head. He doesn't follow soccer or play the guitar. He loves something different instead. Cause when farming's in your heart, and you don't like milking cows and going to the mart, you just wanna drive that big wide yoke, rev her up to hell with a cloud of smoke. Some are sporty types and more love motorbikes, and there are arty-farty guys who play music. They all say I'm mad, but I say how bad that I'm a tractor lad. I'm a tractor lad. To be a tractor lad, gee, you have to be mad. They cost a bloody fortune, don't you know? But you don't care, without tractors you'll go spare. The obsession is far too strong. Up every morn at the crack of dawn, you spend half your life in the cab, eating junk and drinking coke to try and stay awake for fear you'll go broke. Some are sporty types and more love motorbikes, and there are arty-farty guys who play music. They all say I'm mad, but I say how bad that I'm a tractor lad. I'm a tractor lad. Some drive the Massey, the red makes girls feel sassy. Myself, I like the Fords and New Holland. There are Valtra from Finland that'll pull to beat the band, like dykes in case they're good on hilly land. I'm driven round the bend from hearing about the Fend, cause she'll go 60k, sure we'll never hear the end. But there is one brand that all the young lads love, worshipped and adored from heaven above. Yes, that's right, it's the one John Deere. I hear they're very dear, there's so many I'll go queer. Some are sporty types and more love motorbikes, and there are arty-farty guys who play music. They all say I'm mad, but I say how bad that I'm a tractor lad. I'm a tractor lad. When driving is your thing, makes you feel like a king, keep it going and never stop. If you're 60 or 6 and you have to have your fix, and the law are sweating bricks, you're branded as a fool cause you should have stayed in school. Let the teachers have their say. You'll regret it someday, you'll regret it someday. Stay and mind your books and you'll all have better pay. Some are sporty types and more love motorbikes, and there are arty-farty guys who play music. They all say I'm mad, but I say how bad that I'm a tractor lad. I'm a tractor lad. Some are sporty types and more love motorbikes, and there are arty-farty guys who play music. They all say I'm mad, but I say how bad that I'm a tractor lad. I'm a tractor lad.
said he had rich and famous friends. He liked dropping names. I said, well, how'd you do? That's good for you. I dig a lot of those actors. Son, you ain't got a thing on me. See, I got friends with tractors. They'll pull your groceries, haul a load, pull you out and fix the road. The good ass slowing speeders down, and they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. On Friday night we hit the woods, go bobbing in our trucks. It's just about a guarantee some good old boy gets stuck. Where I come from, you can bet your butt, mud hole ain't a factor. I'll sing mine to the floorboards, 'cause I got friends with tractors. They'll pull your groceries, haul a load, pull you out and fix the road. The good ass slowing speeders down, when they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. I've been to fancy five-star restaurants and I left there barely filled. They charge me for the water, the butter and the bread. The gourmet meal look more to me like fish bait on a cracker. But I stay fat and happy, 'cause I've got friends with tractors. They'll pull your groceries, haul a load, pull you out and fix the road. The good ass slowing speeders down, and they pass through from out of town. I'll live out in the country, happily ever after. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. I got everything I need, 'cause I got friends with tractors. Who's got a new holler? Anyone got a Nazi? Jump down. Yeah, I got friends with tractors.
Do you remember the little grey Ferguson tractor, Johnny?
They were a great little job. You start and I can join in.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that big ugly road. Well, they brought me home to dinner in the county of Carlow, and the first man to drive me was Mickey's Uncle Joe. He pushed on his top coat and he jumped upon me, said, pull back on the throttle, and he flew out through the gate.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly road. All the old lads started laughing and jeering, now you see. They said the whole black jackass was far better now than me. But the jackass, he is long since dead, his bones has turned to dust. Here am I, freshly painted, with ne'er a speck of rose.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly road. hours inside, crippled in the bed. But every September until the man is dead, he'll grab his little walking head and he'll head up for the shed.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly broom. He'll check me oil and water, he'll shine and polish me, then he'll bring me down to Finnegh for everyone to see. They'll put him sitting on me seat, he looks so very proud, as he drives me through the steam rally to the cheering of the crowd.
Oh, I am a little Ferguson built so many years ago. I was bought up in Dublin at the RDS Spring Show. I'm a lovely little tractor and I look so very cute.
Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly broom. Not like the tractor of today, that great big ugly broom.
Before the sun came up, he sipped that coffee black, slid on his muddy boots, pulled down his feed store cap. He taught me how to grease the points on that Massey 240, but I was way too busy, didn't really care to go. So he worked the fields alone. But what I didn't know, up on that tractor, things might be faster in the world, but big wheels rolling slow help you see what's important, what really does matter. Up on that tractor, just like the dirt is black, so do the years fly by. He stayed home with Mom, I traveled far and wide, and like a good man does, he listened when I called, told him about my crazy life and all the things I saw. And when it was time to go, he wanted me to know, up on that tractor, things might be faster in the world, but big wheels rolling slow help you see what's important, what really does matter. Up on that tractor, it tore my world apart when God took him away, didn't get to say goodbye, and I miss him every day. When all the fields grew up, this is right back where I came. Up on that tractor, things might be faster in the world, but big wheels rolling slow. Up on that tractor, things might be faster in the world, but big wheels rolling slow help you see what's important, what really does matter. I know even more now what really does matter. Up on that tractor, up on that tractor, up on Dad's tractor.
talk about an uphill battle. 2,000 acres of beans and cattle. He don't ever get rattled, he just goes till the sun goes down. Hydraulic fluid on his jeans, red-dyed diesel and 10 rows between. A cold one on the porch and a good night's sleep. Y'all hold him up with me now. Here's to the farmer that plants the fields in the spring, that turn from green to that harvest honey. Hold one up for the banker downtown that got him on his feet with handshake of money. Here's to the farmer's wife that loves him every night, raising a son, raising a daughter. They gather around the table, send it up to the father. Somehow they get closer when times get harder. Here's to the farmer. Subdivisions creeping on in, neighborhood kids keep jumping his fence. He could double his money, but that'd be the end of a promise he'll never break. 'Cause he looked his daddy in the eye, and he's got that stubborn pride. He'll be here to the day he dies. No, he wouldn't have it any other way. Here's to the farmer that plants the fields in the spring, that turn from green to that harvest honey. Hold one up for the banker downtown that got him on his feet with handshake money. Here's to the farmer's wife that loves him every night, raising a son, raising a daughter. They gather around the table, send it up to the father. Somehow they get closer when times get harder. Here's to the farmer. Tell him how far he's gotta go, and he'll go farther. Here's to the farmer. Here's to the farmer. Thank you, boys. Yeah. We've been up here in the city, living in the gears that grind. Girl, it's a doggone pity we ain't been getting any time. I've been preaching about back home, how it can make you feel so alive. Tell you what we can do, baby, let's me and you take a little drive. Welcome to the farm, where you can roll your windows down. Baby, take my arm. I ain't hearing nothing, such a beautiful sound. We can take the tractor down the road, go walking around the bend, lay by the river, climb up in the barn. Welcome to the farm. Yeah, yeah. There ain't no card in your pocket ever gonna turn that old gas pump on. It's cash for everything around here. That's just the way it's been for so long. How you like how Coke from a green glass bottle is colder than that plastic stuff? Watch how Miss Annie at the counter tells that story about me wrecking my truck. Welcome to the farm, where you can roll your windows down. Baby, take my arm. I ain't hearing nothing, such a beautiful sound. We can take the tractor down the road, go walking around the bend, lay by the river, climb up in the barn. Welcome to the farm. Yeah, yeah. Pine straw in your hair, not an ounce of makeup on you. As the sun goes down, girl, I ain't ever seen you looking so good as you do right now. Welcome to the farm. You can roll your windows down, baby, take my arm. I ain't hearing nothing, such a beautiful